Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we continue with the BBX. If you are interested, stay tuned and you will see nice things. On the last video I showed you the preparation of the work and some painting. We start this new video with a moment of truth. Here I have painted the body blue, white, black, because I like to see black inside the body. And now we have to peel off the plastic and hoping well find a very nice thing. Wow! Super shining! We have some things and this, but I think that with this one fantastic, really fantastic. All the other. Look at this! But now we have a problem. All this plastic. I think I can put it here. In the bag where I put all the Lexan parts. All together. Body, plastic. Body, plastic, body, plastic. Bloody plastic. It's nice because I'm playing with something made in a factory that in the name is clearly indicated the plastic. Okay, now we go to the mechanical parts. This we leave for a while until we need it, and we dedicate to the construction of the car. And here I am ready to start the work. This is one is just charging the battery. And now a question. Do you want me to show you every single things I put every single ball into the different grease and so on? Or do you want I tell you the significant things, the important things? Well, I think the second. So I mount this diff. If I have any issues, any problem, I will tell you. Otherwise, we jump to 3, 4, 5, just showing you something, just to keep you updated, but not in order to bore you. Okay, we are at step 4. We have to put all the gears inside the case. These are the gears, these are the two halves of the case. Let's do. Put inside, grease, then close with screw. This screw. Look at this. How compact is this transmission? Very smooth, with the diff that works perfectly, with the blue part, and here there's, I can't show you, perhaps, like this, the screw to adjust. Now we have to do step 5. These are the pieces, and here there's one thing. Perhaps this could be a ball bearing friction, and I don't have it. I don't want to wait to have it, so I'm mounting this way, and I'm happy because my car will be a little bit nervous. Let's do the work up to step, let me see, you can mount the engine. Oh yes, step 7. Step 7 is very interesting because we mount the transmission group on the frame. This car is fantastic. I love it. I love it. Top quality, super car. With the S. I was telling you about the engine, and this is the engine. This is 3000 kV Samurai, made in China. I bought 3 or 4 of these engines. They come with this ESC, with vent, switch, lot of wires, and I find them quite good. Perhaps not so powerful as they say, and there's also a card to program, a programming card, if I find it. This Surpass Hobby ESC programmer. Later I show you how to program, but this is very useful. So on this car, a Chinese but quite nice black brushless motor. These are all the pieces, and this is a masterpiece. Compact, little, light, perfectly working. Tamiya is fantastic, really fantastic. Show you. This is fantastic. Look at this. Wonderful. Et le voilà. We have the right play between the 2 gears. Fantastic. But okay, what a beauty. This engine is perfect. What a beauty. Fantastic. Keep on going. And now from step 8 to 10. Rear rods, suspension rods. I have made these parts, and I have to say that this is really new system, but there's a little problem. If you want to have the exact measure, this part inside has a little play. Well, maybe once on the wheel I can adjust, but this is the right, and this is absolutely new. But all this car is absolutely new. And when I told you that this is not just a commercial thing, but it's something substantial, something technical, I was right. This car is fantastic, really fantastic. The only thing that I would like to have the hexagon here to adjust without undo all the pieces. This is the only pity, if I could say. Radio time! Step 11. We have to mount the servo saver, to find the zero position of the servo, to connect the receiver to the radio, and I radio here. I have to mount this socket on this for the lights. I'm waiting for the electronic switch to activate from the radio. And now we start binding the receiver. So, radio on, push more. Okay, welcome, thank you. Then we have to find where to bind, and it is here, bind with the receiver. Then we have to switch on the radio. This works, flashing. I've made this, I put this, okay, then bind. Done! Fantastic! Then switch off the receiver, switch off the transmitter, take off the bridge for binding. And now we have the zero. I didn't check it, the servo. Oh, no problems. No problems, because we switch on the radio, switch on this, and fantastic. We can mount everything. Everything works. This work I have to do. This. No. First this one, and then okay. Steering time. Step 12, 14. Lot of things to do. Done. The steering is done. It's fantastic. The rods has this adjustment and ball bearings everywhere. Super. The servo is very steady, stiff. The assembling, the Super Avante had the servo moving, blah 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 blah, like that. This not. I love it.
Welcome to Noble.
Eh? What you say? Fantastic servo. And for today, my friends, this is it. We have made something interesting. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next with this wonderful steering, and ciao.